may na-discover ako na masarap na beef shawarma sa murang halaga. At gawa pa nga ito ng isang Egyptian chef na nag-work sa Dubai. Kasama ang mga Pinoy. Nagbakasyon sa Pilipinas at na-inlove siya sa culture ng Pilipinas. Kaya naisipan niya na magnegosyo at dito manirahan. For only 139 pesos, matitikman mo na ang kanyang beef shawarma na buy one take one na. Hi, Chef!
Hello po, how are you?
You speak Tagalog?
Konti po, only konti lang.
Konti lang?
Yes.
Ano pong binibenta niyo dito? What are you selling here?
I sell Arabic food.
How long are you selling shawarma?
Here I am more than 1 year and a half. Come to my restaurant. My name is Wael. I am the owner of this restaurant. Welcome to anyone who want to come here, taste my food. I have very nice food here in Philippines. I am here only 2 years in Philippines, but I am really happy. I am really very happy because here the people very kind and I feel safe here.